Hey guys, today I'm showing you how I did my bird feather nails. So you're going to need to start off with a nice clean prepped nail. Then I go through my feathers and try and find one I want to use for the nail art. You can see here, this is one of Sushi's first feathers when he was clipped. Then I'm going to get my gel builder. This is from Kiara Skies. And put a nice even coat on. Next, I'm going to get my feathers that I've chosen and carefully place them down. As you can see, this gel builder is very sticky, and after a few pats, cure it for 1 minute. As you can see, the feathers stuck up a bit there. So what I do now is get that gel builder again, paint it down on the nail, making sure to get under the feathers and above. Then I'm going to cure it under the light and hold the feather down. I repeat the step of painting on gel builder a few times until I get an even coverage and enough point that I can shape it. I have been informed that you can do this step with acrylic. Unfortunately, I don't own any myself and only have the gel, so that's what I'm using. Next, I'm going to file it and shape it. And I do that off camera. And it ends up like this. After shaping, I'm going to get my gel top coat, do 1 coat, and cure. As the coat has a sticky finish, I then put my glitter on. As you can see in this nail, I use a blue to purple glitter, but on the other hand, I use a different colour shift. After I set that glitter down, I put a second coat of gel polish. Curing that second coat, there we go, all done. Now, because I am no professional, I do take the next couple of days to shape it and file it. You can see when you turn the flash on, you can see the feathers under there. And as you can see, my birds aren't a major fan of them. But thank you so much for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.